The Trumbull County mother who pleaded guilty to seriously harming her infants was back in a court this morning for sentencing.
WKBN 27 First News reporter Nadine Grimley has the update tonight.
Assistant Prosecutor Diane Barber calls this particular case disturbing. Harley Warner, a mother to twin girls, will spend time behind bars after she admitted to causing multiple skull fractures to the infants.
The degree that she inflicted injuries was just, I haven't seen that before.
Standing in front of a judge this morning, 21-year-old Harley Warner was sentenced to 4 years in prison on charges she pleaded guilty to back in November, including endangering children and felonious assault.
You don't seem to grasp the seriousness of this offense. You're more concerned with the relationship with your ex as opposed to the relationship you had with your children.
I'm sorry, and then I love my children really much, and I honestly don't know exactly what happened to them.
According to her recorded statement with respect to the skull fractures, when one or the other of the children were crying and were inconsolable, she would hit their head against a fixed object such as a table or a radiator.
Prosecutors say that happened 5 separate times, both in Newton Falls and Warren. Warner was arrested back in June, 9 days after she called 911 from a home on Vine Avenue, reporting one of her 7-month-old girls was slowly breathing and purple. The baby was taken to St. Joe's, where doctors found multiple skull fractures on both girls.
We won't be able to tell whether or not they have any lasting injuries as a result until they reach the age of 2 to see whether or not they're missing any milestones.
The twins are currently in the care of other family members. In Warren, Nadine Grimley, WKBN 27 First News.